Vanilla cream soda over ice cream, or slushy pop. This is a way to make vanilla cream soda pop. The secret to a great tasting cream soda flavor is slowly cooking the sugar with the vanilla beans. I do this using a vacuum sealer and an immersion circulator set at 95 degrees for about 4 hours. The cream soda sugar is liquefied and ready to use, so I pour it into a jar and scale out what I need. I am making a 500 milliliter soda and want about 8 to 10% sugar, so I start with about 45 grams of sugar. I pour a little boiling hot water onto the sugar to dissolve any sugar crystals and give it a little stir. Then add cold water to get to 500 milliliters. I give a quick taste for flavor and check the actual sugar amount using a hydrometer. A hydrometer measures the sugar density of the liquid. I use the brick scale on the outside of the instrument. The higher the bricks, the higher the sugar content. 1 gram of sugar equals 1 bricks per 100 grams of solution, so I am shooting for about 10 bricks or 10% sugar. I use a 500 ml soda pop bottle with a ceramic stopper and fill the soda bottle using a funnel and fine mesh sieve. I pour the vanilla sugar mixture into the bottle and stop when the solution is about 5 centimeters from the top. I use champagne yeast, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, to carbonate the bottle. I make sure the stopper is on tight and give the bottle a little shake to distribute the yeast. I left the bottle to ferment at room temperature until the CO2 gas pressurizes the bottle, about 12 to 48 hours. A little alcohol, about 1%, is probable during fermentation, but I slow or stop the fermentation by putting the bottle in the fridge. Left to ferment at room temperature for longer, the pressure will build up and pop the top. After 24 hours, I could see that it was kind of active, so there's quite a bit of carbon dioxide building up. So I simply put it into the fridge to cool completely before I was ready to drink it. Vanilla cream soda pop is better served very cold. There is built-up pressure in the bottle, so the contents might explode. I am careful to release the ceramic stopper. Vanilla cream soda pop is great over ice, but better over vanilla ice cream. It's hard to resist a foamy vanilla cream soda float. This is a way to make vanilla cream slush pops. To make slush pops, I want a sugar concentration of about 15%, so I scale out 45 grams of sugar for 3 100 ml slush pops. I added a little hot water to dissolve any sugar crystals and gave it a little stir. I added enough water to get about 300 milliliters. I used the hydrometer to test the sugar solution. I used a funnel to pour the sugar solution into Ziploc style slush pop bags. I stop at the recommended fill line because ice expands. And make sure the bag is tightly sealed. I transferred the pops into a tall freezer-friendly mason jar and left them in the freezer overnight. I pull the ice pops out of the freezer a half an hour before I want to serve them. Getting the right amount of sugar and serving at the right temperature makes this treat slushy.